morning to all of you. It is class 12th, subject economics. Our today's topic is concept of demand and quantity demanded. Previously, we learned about the concept of economics and various types of economies. But today's topic is somehow different. Let us first try to understand the word demand and quantity demand. In ordinary language, the word demand is interchangeably used with desire. One gets confused when he uses the word demand. In ordinary language, he uses it with desire. But in economics, the word demand and desire are two different words. Desire simply refers to a wish. Here the word wish is very important. What does desire refers to? It simply refers to a wish. For example, a person wants to have a car but is not having enough money to purchase it. His demand for a car is simply a desire. He wants to have a car, but he is not in a position to purchase it because he lacks money. He is not in a position to purchase it because he is having deficiency of money. So his demand for a car cannot be called his demand, but it is simply his desire. It is simply his desire. So we can say, in other words, that desire is a wish, but demand is somehow different. On the other hand, a person who has enough money and is willing to buy it. The word willing to buy it very important. A person has lot of money, he is wealthy, but he is not willing to buy, so his demand cannot be, his wish cannot be called a demand, or his desire will not become a demand unless and until he is willing to buy it. So his desire will be called a demand only when a person is able, means he is having enough money at his disposal and is willing to spend that on a particular commodity, on a particular good which he wants to buy. Then and only then his desire will become his demand. So demand in economics refers to desire backed by willingness and ability to pay. The word willingness and ability to pay is very important. A person who buys different quantities of a good at different prices is called his demand. A person who buys different quantities of a good, say one wants to purchase 10 quintals of rice, but he is not having rice at one shop, he purchases it from different shops at different prices. It means that very commodity will be his, or his potentiality of that commodity will be his demand. On the other hand, quantity demanded is something else. A person who buys specific quality and quantity of a specific good. The word specific is important. A person who buys specific quantity of a specific good is called quantity demanded. So demand and quantity demanded are two different things. A person who buys different quantities of a good at different prices, it means it is his demand. On the other hand, a person who buys specific quantity at specific price, it is called his quantity demanded. Okay, and this much is enough for today.